Damn camera got motion sick there. I'm making something. Secret project. What did this used to be? A charge air cooler pipe for a Ponza. There's the part number if you want to order one. So I'm taking it. Ooh, that ain't even a hole through. Alright, I don't have to plug that bugger. That's just a mount hole. So I'm going to make this into something. It's going to be what you call a double boiler. I'm going to weld that plate to that so that's sealed off so I can stick that into a pot of boiling water. And I'll bring you back and show you what I'm up to when I start. He loves it when I talk to myself over here. So that's what it's going to be. It's going to be a double boiler. Do you know what that is? Do you know what a double boiler is?
Don't boil it once, boil it twice?
No, so you can stick this inside of boiling water and then you warm up whatever's in it, like chocolate. And I wanted it out of stainless. This is just a mount. That ain't even hole through. I don't have to plug that. So that's good. But I don't have a piece of 3-inch, so I'm using 2 pieces of 2x4 as the bottom. Yeah, you're gonna stick it in a pot of boiling water.
So you can warm your fudge before you pack it?
Say that again?
So you can warm your fudge before you pack it?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's fun being here on a Monday. Junk art. Actually, jart. Functional. It's gonna be a double boiler. I made that, didn't know I was gonna make it square. I mean, I made it square, but didn't know I was gonna be able to. It's gotta sit in boiling water, so now I just bent those ends down on the old anvil. So it'll sit off the bottom of whatever container I put it in to warm this thing up. It's all stainless. It's good enough for my purpose. You'll get to see it someday. Bye.